τους θανάτηδες, τους άγγιδες και τους αφήσουμε και να παίξω. Και είχαμε και το τραγούδι που σε...
που θα χρησιμοποιήσουν από το χειμώνα και μετά, αυτά τα παιδιά δεν υπολογίζουν τόσο πολύ το μισθό όσο το φιλοδόρημα. Αν τους το κόψουν, και αυτό πιστεύω ότι υπάρχει τεράστια τεράστιο πρόβλημα με την ανέβρεση υπαλλήλων επάνω σε αυτό το τομέα.
Σίγουρα.
Δεν είναι εύκολο.
Ναι, έχω δεχτεί και τώρα μηνύματα, θα το διαβάσουμε και στην συνέχεια. Κύριε Χατζησαλάτα, επειδή μας πιέζει ο χρόνος, θα πρέπει να σας αποδεσμεύσω. Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ για αυτά που μας είπατε.
Και θα για τη δυνατότητα να επικοινωνήσουμε. Καλή Κυριακή σε όλους και
είστε καλά.
Ένας νόμος καταργείται με έναν νόμο να καταργηθεί, γιατί η Ελλάδα στα φέρει και όχι τίποτα άλλο.
Να είστε καλά, ο κύριος Γιάννης Χατζησαλάτας, αμέσως σε τίτλους ειδήσεων και επιστρέφουμε σε λίγα λεπτά.
This is the white 1995 Nissan Primera P10, the facelift version of me, John Nicholas Stampoulidis, driving my parental car of my father Nicholas, with a look on the sound system of the car, newly installed at 120 euros, priced of a Pioneer radio USB system. So this is the system of the radio USB. We can see the actual door for the USB, which is here, the gate, opens, close, open and close. These are the moving upwards, moving downwards frequencies buttons. These are the lock-on stations, preserving that the battery is continuously installed. And we have locked on to Sky FM 100.3, an Athens station of news and information. The system has this cyclical rod that moves rightwards for volume upwards, leftwards for volume downwards, and it's also a mode for application of the system and installment information. These are the buses that always they have to be off due to better sound quality. We have the actual, as it says, the band dimmer, and the on-off of the radio is from this button, having the letters SHC. Here we have the actual small button of the display, and it's a remarkable sound system to operate into this 29 years of age Nissan Primera P10. The antenna is cooperating perfectly with the sound system, the radio, and we have a very good quality sound. This actual radio system and USB system was installed nearby Vrylisia, my family's main residence, in a private shop of cars sound systems. We took the receipt for the 120 euros, and the installment took about 40 to 45 minutes. It was easy to install. The Nissan Primera P10 of 1995, 29 years after, possesses the cables and all the adjustment structure for a radio USB synth sound system to be installed 29 years afterwards. So this proves and verifies the longevity of the Primera, its classicality and its modernity, that also is shown by its chassis, by its engine, and its all formation as an automobile. It's really an exceptional car, and it is also a very credible sound system of Pioneer. I think it's an American brand, the Pioneer, and it's very good installment. It's a very good asset for the car, because now it will be accompanying the driver and the passengers, me and the others, with music and news and information providence. It also has a connectivity to the phone. The phone is as a Bluetooth, and it's remarkable. We are thankful that we were able to purchase this beautiful asset. This is the off mode. There's no service. So this has been a presentation of the radio USB sound system on the Nissan Primera P10 back from 1995, the facelift version. Thank you very much.